probably familiar with all 26 letters in the alphabet A to Z. But what do you know about the 5 vowels? The English language has 6 vowels: A, E, O, U, and in some instances, Y. However, the English language has many more vowels. These are generally divided into 2 categories: short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. Although there are many exceptions, there are a few general rules that apply to short and long vowel sounds. So in this video, we are going to learn the rules and differences between the short and long vowel sounds. Are you ready? From the name itself, short vowels have a much shorter pronunciation than long vowel sounds. Short vowels produce only one sound and do not require the speaker to open up his mouth very wide. The speaker's jaw is relaxed and barely moves during the production of short vowel sounds. The speaker's tongue is placed in different positions but is also usually relaxed. Short vowels can occur in stressed syllables such as o in offer, or in stressed syllables like the first o in tomato. For example, a as in apple, say apple. E as in egg, say egg. E as in insect, say insect. O as in bug, say bug. As in tug, say tug. That's it. A long vowel sound is just like the name of the letter. For example, a long A sounds like the letter A. A long E sounds like the letter E. So when does a vowel make a long vowel sound? This usually happens one of 2 ways. The first way to make a long vowel sound is to put 2 vowels next to each other. When 2 vowels appear next to each other, the word usually makes a long sound of the first vowel. This is the case in words like bead, seed, male, boat. Very good. Notice how the word bead makes the long E sound, and the word male makes the long A sound. The second way to make a long vowel sound is to place an E at the end of a word. Placing an E at the end of a word also creates a long vowel sound. This happens in words like bake, bite, molt, mute. Exactly. Notice how the word mute makes the long U sound and the word bike makes the long I sound. Let's take another look at our example words from before. Bug and bugle. Did you notice how the word bug does not have the long U sound that the word bugle does? The word bug has a short vowel sound while bugle has the long vowel sound with an E at the end of the word. Learning pronunciation is very important if you want to improve your English skills. So this video is very important to watch. Stay tuned for other pronunciation videos. Once again, I am Ellie from Boost English. See you next time. Goodbye.